After half an hour, I've collected about 3 liters of wild berries. We're going to swim in this marvelous river. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to collect some berries, some wild berries, and I started to do it, yeah, as you can see, and yeah, I would like to show you, give me a second. This is, say hi. Yeah, this one, right? I'm going to show you a little bit closer. There is, yeah, this one, there are a lot of, look, here, there is a lot of berries, and I like to put together all of them, collect them, and to create some jam. Unfortunately, I can't transfer the taste of these marvelous berries. But this is, you know, a very unique taste, because if you eat some domestic berries, it's another kind of taste, because here the lack of water, it is like a condensed dense of sugar. I don't know, like with not sugar, but the taste, yeah, very unique. And I guess you understand me if you are was in this kind of place. I would like to show you the landscape here. This is a very perfect place, right? Let me say hi.
Yarsuğuna tuz gene Qayınlıqdan jilek pişken Tiz urilip üzgünne Şeşeklerinin indiği yok Tuğan yak Huş isli vallı gülü Tuğan yak Bu yaklarga bir qaydada Tuğan yak Hiç dinler bulmaz tüslü Tuğan yak Talpınıp күңел talpına aşkına Yarsuğuna tuz gene Qayınlıqdan jilek pişken Tiz urilip üzgünne.
After half an hour, I've collected about 3 liters of wild berries, right? And now we have a lack of time, and now we are going to go to the river, go to the swimming, right, and relaxing, because I've collected with my nephews, and they are littles, they are tired. Yeah, let's go. We approach to the river, and now we're going to swim in this marvelous river. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go. 2, 1. Yeah, the water, it's not so warm, but it doesn't stop me. I'm gonna to swim again. Okay, let's get started.
заломится в дверь, меня закружит в танце темное пространство. Я обойдусь без потерь, не хочется влюбляться, нарушать дистанции. Я пролетаю мимо пьяных машин, и мне достаточно один на один. Не работают мои номера, и новая жизнь забирает меня. Ни о чем не жалей, лучше точно не бывает. Все, что не ранит, делает сильней. Завтра никто не отменяет этой ночи свою душу. Лей, не жалей, плавают лица. Лей, не жалей, надо забыться.
I guess you remember about 1 month ago I've cleaned my car, and now I'm going to repeat it, but with the river water. Yeah, let's get started. Fortunately, I have nephews who help me, who help my cleaning my car. This is a pretty good. This is very well, and my handle is free. And yeah, we have finished our swimming, and now we are gonna come back to our home. Okay, thank you for watching me. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and waiting for a new video. Thank you and goodbye. Say hi, say goodbye. Goodbye. Hello, say goodbye. Пока скажи. Пока-пока. Bye. Hey, say bye. Скажи пока. Okay, goodbye.